I'm Joe Mayers. I'm with DuPont Crop Protection, based out of Valdosta, Georgia. I'm the product manager for a new class of insect control products powered by Cyazypyr. Cyazypyr is the second in a class of insect control product called the anthranilic diamides, and it offers both cross-spectrum control of sucking and chewing pests. So it's the first of its type in that class of chemistry. And what we're hearing as we're here at the Zebra Chip conference is the need that growers have for solutions to controlling not only the potato psyllid, but reducing the incidence of Zebra Chip in their potato production programs. And some of the tools that they have now are very effective. Some of them may be not as effective as they once were. And so the opportunity to bring a new mode of action into this program is very exciting for us. DuPont is a market-driven science company, which means we look at the markets, we look at the solutions that we can bring to those markets, and we match up our technology with the needs of growers in their production programs. So with Cyazypyr, we'll have two formulations. One is a soil-applied formulation called Verimark. The other is a foliar-applied formulation called Benevia. We will offer solutions to growers to use as they see fit in their production programs. So the flexibility of application from a soil applied to a foliar applied, timing of application from right at plant to throughout their growing season offers them the opportunity to fit this in as they need it in their program. What does Cyazypyr bring to their program? One, as I said, it's a new mode of action. More importantly, it delivers on those things that are important to that grower. So what we see when Cyazypyr is included in their production program is we see superior plant protection. We see a reduction in incidence of Zebra Chip many times, and oftentimes what that leads to is improved yield at harvest. So what's important to the grower? It's about getting that crop to harvest and taking off as much of the potatoes as they can off that acre. And with Benevia as part of that program, or Verimark as part of that program, we offer them that opportunity to get excellent plant protection, cross-spectrum control of insects such as potato psyllid, whiteflies, aphids, Colorado potato beetles. See reduction in incidence of Zebra Chip, which can reduce the amount of money, or they can lose their whole load if that field's heavily infected with that disease, and it gets them to where they have a quality yield at harvest. So Cyazypyr is an experimental product. We have submitted the package for EPA registration. It is a reduced risk pesticide, as EPA looked at it and declared it from a status standpoint. So we are on a fast track registration. Anticipate that registration to be issued by EPA first quarter 2013, maybe second quarter 2013. So our expectation is to have federal registration sometime next year, and with the state registrations following a month or so thereafter, depending on the state that we're talking about. So Texas or the Northwest, or areas where Zebra Chip and the need for this type of chemistry is needed. So we are looking at launching next year. But when you think about the Texas market, it's probably going to be 2014 before we have the sufficient registrations in place to meet the growers' needs with this solution.